Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will discuss more about states and how we should use state in our React application and what we shouldn't do. So basically in React, state change should go through set state function. So we will discuss what I'm talking about. So you can see here I have this app component and I have very simplest UI here with h2 count and button update. So what I'm gonna do is, first of all, I I need to have some kind of state here, so I can do for now I'm using let. There is a reason why I'm using, I will show you why I'm using let here. So let's say I have a count here, count, and there is a set count function that we will use, that function we will use to update our use state. So we're using use state, we are importing state from React, and the initial value will be 0. So yeah, simple as that. So right now we have this set count and count variable, state variable, and what basically what mistake normally beginners do. So if let's say I'm using this count variable here, so you can see we have this initial value here in this UI. Now I want to update this value when I click on this update button. So I'm going to have some function here. So let's say I have a function name with update, and so what normally beginners do is try to do is they do like count is equal count plus 1. Okay, and if we console.log value, and let's say like this, and this count, and now if we call this function here, so let's say we do something like on click and update. So what will happen if we click on this update? So when we click on this update button, you can see there is values updated because we are using this console here. But you can see if we don't updating, React is not updating the UI. So that is something we shouldn't do. If we directly change the state variable like this, count is equal to count 1 like this, so React doesn't detect the changes, so the UI won't update it here. So what is the right way? So right way is we should use this set count function for updating our state. So what we can do like this. So set what was the previous value plus 1. Now if we click on update, so it will update 1 2 3. Now you can see this is updating our value. One thing you notice, if I refresh it, one thing you will notice, which is also very confusing for beginners, when we click on update, the count value is getting 1, but you're getting the in console you're getting the 0. So you need to understand this. That state is read only, and it's asynchronous. So state updates are asynchronous, so it will not immediately update the state. It will update, it needs to track updates to re-render. So if you want to see the values getting updated, you can see in the UI, or you can use another hook, which is use effect, and in that use effect like this, and we will discuss this use effect in another video, but I'm just showing you what you can do. So you can just simply use count like this, and you can pass count as a dependency array. So now when you click on update, you can see the exact value here like this. So I hope you understand this. So what thing you keep in mind in React state is read only. You must use the setter function to update it, and don't assign directly, and state updates asynchronously, so you don't need to rely on console logs immediately after updating the state.